We are at the Superbike Factory and Factory Heads Cafe. Tonight is their bike night. Yeah, look at all this lot coming in. Yeah.
Gonna be busy.
Yes.
There'll be no drone footage here because we're right next to East Midlands Airport.
We've just seen 2 planes take off already, haven't we? So.
Two flat whites, thank you.
And caffeine fix.
What do you say? You got 10% off?
Get 10% off accessories, yeah.
The Merlin jackets. I quite like what's arrived here, look.
It's quite cool, isn't it?
The CT125 as well.
Yeah.
You don't see many of those on British roads. Is that CT125 relatively new?
I think so. It's got, it's 24 plates.
I mean, it's in for an expedition, look. That's a nice colour Guzzi V7, isn't it? Nice exhaust pipe, and he's got canvas panniers on. Leaning over a bit far from what I like him, but really like that. If you like Harley Davidson's, he's a really shiny one. I couldn't tell you anything about it. Somebody's actually bought a hybrid.
Ooh. I've never seen one of those on the road.
I've seen one on the road.
Have you?
Yeah, I think they've been heavily discounted, mine, to try and flog them.
Probably a bargain then.
Yeah. Hey, it's moving in electric mode.
What's the exhaust on that?
See, if I had an exhaust like that, all I would hear is ringing in my ears. Looks like it's got titanium downpipes as well at the front. It's also got a polished rear swing arm, which is only normally on the SP. That is going to be super loud. Sound great for a while. Till you get really,
you can't hear anymore.
Till you get really fed up and your ears start bleeding. You remember when we used to come up to Norton bike night up here? Yeah. That's not that long ago, is it? We used to go up and to the Donington Park HQ of Norton. That's all changed now, hasn't it now? They managed to lose another 30 odd million quid this year, Norton. Yeah, must have lost over 100 million so far. Another MT10. Looks nice, doesn't it? It's got low bars on that though, hasn't it?
Really low, yeah.
It's a well-used RD350. Lovely.
It's lovely, isn't it?
That's lovely.
I just followed him off the roundabout. I'll tell you what, you're smelling it, it's coming behind it.
Yeah, I bet it sounded nice as well. It's got all speeds on it, hasn't it?
It sound well. I gave him 3.5.
Well, it's about 150 horsepower, something like that.
150, yeah.
Yeah. So I mean, for the money, you can't go too far wrong with an Interceptor.
Yeah.
Plenty of good second-hand ones now. That XJR 1300 looks nice as well, doesn't it?
That's unusual.
Classic old school muscle bike. That one.
That's really unusual.
Old air-cooled. Well, they were everywhere at one time. They've just gone out of fashion. You want to go fast touring? That's the bike to have. I just don't like the seat. Cups you in too much, doesn't it? See, another bike you don't see that much is the K1300S. They are a class machine. That engine's a monster. Really quick, really fast. The engine lies quite well forward on those as well. It's an inline 4. Really quick bike, but they haven't been sold for a few years now. CBX.
Very nice.
Very nice. Love a CBX, don't we?
You do. Well, you do.
Big for I'm not sure I want to own one though. Not sure I want to ever have to go in and do any mechanics on one of those 6-cylinder engines. Isn't that what Missenden Flyers Mrs. got?
I think she has,
Also named Carol. I think she's got it in that colour as well.
I think she might have, yeah. Interesting paint job on that Speedmaster.
Paint on that, look.
Beautiful, isn't it? It's all like colour changing, isn't it?
Stunning paint job, yeah. It is, yeah. Really nice. I was going to say it's a Suzuki Bandit like mine, but that's a 1250, isn't it?
Yours
mine
was
was
1200, wasn't it? So it's newer than yours then.
Last of the air-cooled ones I had.
What's that? Mutt.
It's a mutt. Really nicely done. We like that. I do anyway.
Quite chunky, doesn't it?
Chunky.
It does look chunky though. It looks wide, doesn't it?
Yeah. 250
RD
Carol.
250.
Yeah, he's got all speeds on as well, but very polished chrome all speeds. I've never seen one done in that colour.
No.
Don't understand how it's a 250, but it's got twin horns at the front. In fact, there's a lot that's not standard on that. Forks aren't standard. This aren't standard. Kickstart's not standard. Back swing arm's not standard. It's a it's an non-standard, but still nice. Yeah, it's a classic two-stroke, that is. They're nice lads. They are. I like them both. They're kind of what was around when. Well, I was probably about 20 when these were around, but no, brilliant. I like to see them on the road still.
First day on it.
Really?
First day on it,
First
really?
day?
Passed my CBT at 3 o'clock this afternoon.
Oh,
Wow!
congratulations.
Congratulations.
When called in, I think we're out by about 4.
Nice one. It's nice to see some youngsters on the road.
I'm so pleased to see some youngsters because they're all old folks like us, you know.
I do feel bad for the clutch and gearbox because I am very shit with it, so I keep.
Well, you get better with
You get
practice.
better.
I keep going to change gear, and before I can release it, I rev, and it just goes.
Well, you've picked an interesting machine to actually learn your craft on because they've got a bit of a power band.
Oh, I know.
So you know they're not the torquey 4-strokes. They're brilliant.
Excellent.
I don't think you'll lose any money on these either.
I'm keeping it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's nice if you can keep your first bike, really, isn't it? So, yeah.
These two are the hope for motorcycling. Young people coming through, learning the craft. They've bought 2 strokes. We're really pleased for them. We wish you all the best. Is that your LC? Yeah, smashed it.
Very nice.
Lovely.
Yeah, 1981 UK bike, so...
Yeah,
It's about when you had yours, isn't
I had
it?
a 250 in 81.
Yeah.
I bought it new, like, you know, but
yeah, that's the 250. So
Yeah.
second.
Very nice.
lovely.
Very nice.
We'll get around and have a look at everybody else, but
Yeah.
yeah,
All right,
cheers.
good.
All right,
Nice to see
take
you.
care.
MT10. They're everywhere. Common as muck, these MT10s.
They are, yeah. He's been killing a few flies.
Oh, that one's not dead yet. Look, still wriggling.
Oh, he's still wiggling.
It's gone for the
Still
ride.
wiggling. Wow.
Wow. Now that really is all the way round, isn't it?
Yeah, it's got a pair of CCMs, Carol. Does anybody know what's happening to the CCM company?
Did somebody tell us that they've got a buyer or something?
I don't know. I don't know if they have or not.
They're all limited editions, though, aren't they?
Made
in
so
one
many
form or
different
other?
limited editions. That's a CCM
So I
Spitfire.
think everyone's got a plate on it saying one of such and such, hasn't it?
It's
So
how they got round
the emissions and
homologation
that.
rules, you know, with
Yeah.
exhaust and that.
Oh, it's Biker Simon.
Look who we've found. It's Biker Simon's. He's busy
Ah.
filming our bike somewhere.
Yeah.
So he's here. He's actually a really good YouTuber, isn't he?
He is, yes.
So he does more stuff than we do. He's like semi-pro, isn't he? Honda Crossrunner. You don't see many of those.
You'd think they'd be quite a popular touring bike, really,
It
wouldn't
would
you?
be,
But
yeah. I think they're just a bit heavy.
Right.
yeah.
I think they've got the V4 engine in them. Might be wrong. I think the V4.
Looks quite comfortable, actually.
Yeah, it does. Yeah.
Nice
It does.
big wide seats. Yeah.
Oh look.
Plain.
Yeah, there we go. VF1000R. That looks nice, doesn't it? Old school. Yeah, you need to be young and flexible to be on the back of one of those, don't you? Can you imagine you on the back of one of those, Carol?
Can't imagine me on the back of anything, to be honest, anymore. I think once you've passed your test, why would you want to go on the back?
Yeah. Now, what do you think? Do you think that's owned by a lady?
I would imagine so, yes.
I suspect it might be. But you don't know these days.
Well,
you
you
can't
can't
say
be
for
certain
certain,
until
can
you
you?
actually see them get on the bike, but I would
It's
say
in-
so, yes.
It's in good order. Didn't our friend ride a CP500X all the way
He went
around the world?
on it, didn't he? Yeah.
You did, yeah. Put some wire wheels on it, some really good luggage, and you rode it around the world. Hey, Carrie, you should have bought you a helmet. There's a showy service area here, look.
I bought the helmet, it's in the top box.
Yeah. Filthy as well, aren't they?
Yeah.
Could have let them clean it for us. Wow, look at the crowds here. This is going to be a really popular, if it's regular.
But they've got lots of space as well, so it works really well, doesn't it? Because they really have got unlimited space.
Yeah.
So a good sunny night.
Plus, it's also marketing for them because
well, of course, yes.
you can go in and go round the bikes, which is what we're going to do now, isn't it?
Yes, we'll go and have a look.
Now, I've done a video solely about the Superbike Factory before, haven't I?
Yeah.
And there's mixed views on the bikes from here. Yeah, nice vented, isn't it? So, who in the comments is watching this has actually bought a bike from the Superbike Factory, and what's been your experiences?
I think there's good and bad. I mean, what I quite like about it is that they don't sort of titillate them, they just wheel them in and put them on for sale, don't they? So you can see what you're going to get, you can see what state it's in. Some are good.
14 there, 6790.
You've always fancied one of them, haven't you?
I have always fancied one, yeah. You hate the look of them, don't you? It's a line venti 10 here. It's a 72 plate. It's up for 10290. I always wonder whether somebody that wants to get rid of a bike because they know there's a issue, but it's quite difficult to detect issue, would offload a bike to these
it's
people.
like we buy any car, isn't it?
Yeah.
There must be some good ones in here, though.
Oh, I'm sure there's plenty of good ones, yeah.
I think it's some of the dealerships will use it as well to offload, part X's and stuff.
See, how much can you get 1290 Super Duke for? That's 7790. 67 plate. Honestly, I wouldn't touch them.
KTM?
I wouldn't touch them.
No.
I'm sorry, but they've just got such a bad name. There'll be plenty of people saying, I've got one, it's never gone wrong. But you see so many videos where people have had a nightmare.
Yeah.
Plenty of them just look like they've been ridden in. I mean, look at the state of the corrosion on the engine on that.
Suzuki Bandit, 3,875.
3,000. I mean, that yellow Phaser Thou that guy got on the car park,
That
he got
looked
for the same
immaculate,
money.
didn't it? Yeah.
That looked immaculate.
Yeah.
What would you have, that one or that?
Oh, I'd have the Phaser. It looked a really neat little bike.
That just looks like it's not being cared for. With the left outside. Why would you buy it? I wouldn't buy it. I did wonder whether this would be a contender for another bike of mine, but once we sat on to the bike show, that seat was so uncomfortable. Thruxton's nice looking, isn't it? Don't build those anymore, do they? Fast forwarded by the Harley section, isn't we? Sorry, we're not Harley fans, but I'm sure there's channels out there that are. But that you'd probably consider buying that if you're an Indian fan.
You see, that one does look in good nick, actually, doesn't
the
it?
previous owner obviously looked after
Kept that nice, yeah. It does look in good condition. There must be some bargain,
It's
really
massive,
good.
isn't it?
It is huge,
It's
yeah.
absolutely. Yeah, one thing, it's not going to cover you in dirt, is
No,
it? Look
it's
at the
lovely
size of that
protection.
front.
No, you're not going to get
I think the
anything flung
Americans would
up off
call it a
that, are
fender,
you?
wouldn't they? I mean, that is a massive chunk of motorcycle. Not my style, but I can really appreciate it. The engine, that engine, work of art, beautiful. It's been so well cared for, I think.
That does look good in good nick,
I
doesn't
think
it?
13990. What plate is it? 20 plate. So much stock, haven't they? You'd be able to find a bike somewhere in here.
I'm sure you would, yeah.
There's got to be some good mixed in with
There
some
must be, yeah. There's all sorts.
terrible
I think that's it. You just got to really pick through them, haven't you?
My honest belief is you come in and have a look at the condition of it. if it looks like it's been cared for by the previous owner, it's probably a good bike. I think you get a certain period, don't you? Once you bought it.
Yeah, because you can't test ride, can you?
You can't test ride them, no. That's another thing I don't like about it. Unless you're Bennett and you come up here and they bring up that, they do that, Bennett's do that program from here, don't they?
Yeah.
Where they're looking for the perfect bike for one of the Bennett's members.
Rarely, do they find one, though, do they?
Rarely do they ever get one, yeah. Hey, how you doing?
You're right.
All right, mate.
All right, how you doing?
You're Wayne.
Yeah.
Oh, it's my last one. There you go.
Sticker.
Have a
Thank
sticker.
you.
Thank you very much for watching.
All right.
So what bike are you on?
I did have a Himalayan.
Right.
All right.
700, but now I've got
Not this one.
702.
No, 702,
right,
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
How are you finding that?
Love it.
Really?
Yeah. Absolutely love it.
We've met quite a few people who said hello.
Yes.
And I mean, we met the guy that randomly stopped and helped when you had a puncture
In the Peak District,
in
yeah.
the Peak District, didn't we?
Yeah, because he
They
just
were
come
so
up to us.
nice.
Yeah.
He come up to us. He says,
Yeah.
"Oh yeah, I originally
I was
came
the one
and
who stopped.
stopped." He said, he asked us about the tyres.
Yeah.
And of course, I didn't recognise him because he had his helmet on then.
Yeah. Well, it was a long time ago, that one, wasn't it?
That was some
So,
years ago. Yeah, it was. Quite like the Street Cup there.
It's nice.
Quite nice,
That
isn't it?
looks reasonable, Nick. Although the
Yeah,
exhaust
no,
looks a
the
bit
exhaust
battered,
pipes
doesn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, not so good.
Nice colour. Nice
I'm
smart
asking
bike.
for that. 5290. How about that Husqvarna Vilpin 701?
It's unusual.
It's weird, doesn't it?
Yeah, it doesn't look like anything else, does it?
No, it stands out, doesn't it? Oh dear. Music is no good for us on YouTube.
Oh, Ducatis. I do like the Scrambler.
You tried the Scrambler out
I did
in
enjoy
Gran
that,
Canaria,
yeah. It was
didn't you?
very, very nice, yeah.
You don't see the one you had. Can you
No.
remember what it was?
Oh, I don't know what all the different
Don't
sorts
see the
are.
one that you had.
No.
These look like mutt.
They look brand new, they do. They've not got any number plates on, so they must be...
Yeah. Haven't Mutt gone out of business though?
perhaps they're just end of line stock
I
then.
thought Mutt had gone
Yeah.
out of business. I might be wrong. You know what would happen if you bought a vented jacket?
I know, the weather's going to go crap.
The weather will change.
Yeah.
See,
It's like
they're
your
really
RS2.
nice.
Is that like yours?
No, mine's
Yours Alpenstars.
Alpenstars, yeah.
Yeah, imagine the fly splats on that though.
Yeah, but it'd be super cool, wouldn't it?
It would be nice in the summer, yeah.
Yeah, in the summer. I mean, they've got quite an interesting
They've
place
actually
here, haven't
got,
they?
they've got quite a
They've got
good
some stuff
selection
here, haven't they?
actually. If I was in the mood for shopping for
Yeah.
clothes, I'd probably come and have a look. It's
Yeah.
quite handy for us, isn't it?
It is. Right, folks, that's it for tonight. Hope you've enjoyed the walk around the Superbike Factory Bike Night. Right, we're going to enjoy this and get home.
Bye.
See ya. Bye.